Doing Data Science on Azure. That's the title of my pre-conference training session for the upcoming SQL Saturday event in Sioux Falls. My name is Ryan Swanstrom, and I'm a data scientist and the author of the Data Science 101 blog. In the pre-conference training session, it's going to be a full day, and we're going to cover a lot of topics about data science in Azure. We're going to discuss what are the certifications available for data science in Azure. We're going to talk about what are all the products available for helping you do data science on Azure. Then we're going to spend a lot of time on Azure machine learning. We're going to build a predictive model. And we're also going to spend some time with Python and how do you do data science with the Python programming language. But one other thing I wanted to point out, you will need an active Azure subscription to complete some of the labs. So if you have one, just be prepared. We're going to use that. Hopefully it'll only cost you a couple of dollars. Definitely not more than $25 on there. If you don't have one, you can set up a new Azure account and you'll be given some credits, some free credits, so that you can try stuff out and build it. You'll have more than enough free credits to finish what we have for this pre-conference training session. Plus, you'll have some extra credits to play around with this stuff afterward. Anyhow, this is for doing data science on Azure, my pre-conference training session for the upcoming SQL Saturday event in Sioux Falls, August 9th, 2019. I hope to see you there, and have a great day.